Shalawam Yasharahla. I pray you are doing well. Today, I wanted to share with you how to make this Fruit of the Spirit artwork that you can hang on your wall for a daily reminder to help you stay in the Spirit. It's super easy and a lot of fun to make, and comes in handy more often than you would think. This method works better if you're on a PC, but you can also do it on a smartphone as well. Before getting started, you'll want to grab your device, a piece of white printer paper or drawing paper, a pencil, and an eraser. Okay, let's begin. Step number 1. Find a font. I went to fontspace.com and chose Lucy Said OK from the wedding fonts. Next, type in each fruit word, like temperance, meekness, faith, etc., into the font preview. Then click Free Download. Step number 2. Trace the words. Now you'll want to place a piece of white paper onto your computer screen or smartphone. Turn up the brightness so the letters will shine through your paper. If you're tracing from a smartphone, depending on how large you want your artwork to be, you'll probably have to trace a couple letters at a time. If you're tracing from a computer, you can trace an entire word at a time. Step number 3. Draw some fruit. Now take a moment to Google different fruit drawings. I Googled fruit illustrations to find the vibe I was going for, but there are so many art styles to choose from. Chibi fruit art is a really cute one. Still life fruit drawing is a great place to start as well. Or, if you're not familiar with art styles, just Google art styles to get some inspiration. You can draw freehand like I did, and simply use the illustrations as a reference, or you can trace the fruits, totally up to you. When you're finished, you can color the words in fruit, or leave it as is. And that's it. I hope this helps. Having the Fruit of the Spirit artistic scripture displayed in our home has really helped us practice reciting the scripture daily. It's helped us to keep the fruit of the Spirit at the forefront of our minds, and has helped us recognize when we need to be bearing fruit and when we have been bearing fruit. May it be instrumental to your household as well. Thank you so much for watching.